Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can hide your friend list on your Facebook account. So without wasting any time, let's begin. First of all, open Facebook. Then tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll below. And here you can see the settings and privacy option. Just click on settings and privacy option. Then tap on settings. And then again scroll down. Then click on privacy settings. Now once again scroll down. Here you tap on who can see your friend list option. Now you can see that my friend list is public here. If you want to hide it, then click on see more. And finally click on only me. Now your friend list has been hidden. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like.